Almost every first year and second year student ask the same question. What should I do? DSA or development? So this video is based on 3 points that will make your confusion clear. So let's talk about first point, DSA. The biggest advantage of DSA is it is heavily asked in top MNC companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and many others. And yes, this company offers very high packages. But DSA is not only about interviews. It improves your problem solving skill. It trains your brain to think logically. And it builds a strong understanding of computer science fundamentals. Now let's move to the second point, development. To get into most companies, you need projects in your resume. And the projects are mostly related to development. In most software jobs, we're actually working on development part. Most startups are hiring for front-end developer, React developer, back-end developer, full stack developer, and there actually you need development. And if you want to do freelancing, then obviously you have to do development. Now the third and most important point is actual answer. So actual question is, what should I start first? Development makes coding feel real. You can actually see what you are building. You start exploring new technologies, you grow faster, and coding becomes exciting for you. And after getting comfortable with development, you can start DSA alongside it. But on the other hand, if you start directly with DSA, at first it can hurt your brain. But day by day, your brain starts understanding the logic. And many people say development becomes easier after DSA. Me personally, when I was in my first year, I started with development. And that's it. Choose whatever you want. Just keep growing. And bye.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movie.